Hi everyone. Here is a tip on doing business in China. Control freak leadership, something that I myself have been prone to. In China, you have to empower your staff step by step and encourage their activity. Growth doesn't come from a spreadsheet, it comes from the whole culture of a company. You need your whole China team to be aligned, to be energized towards the same goal as you. And that means sharing of your power and learning to delegate. You may have kept a tight hold of the reins as you launched your business in China, but as you want to grow and scale, it's time to let go of those reins and delegate. Empower your staff, encourage their creativity. But obviously, as there are barriers to doing business in China, as there are current barriers of entering China, you do have to take restrictions in terms of corporate governance, in terms of compliance, to actually build trust and loyalty with your team over time. All right, trust and loyalty has to be developed over a period of time, and obviously with the barriers, you can't just hop on a plane to check out how China is doing, how your team is doing. So you do have to delegate, but on the other hand, you do want to implement certain restrictions to make sure that your company is still in compliance, still safe and protected, if you will, to make sure that you continuously scale and grow. Now, to empower your staff in China and to encourage their activity, you want to be on the same board, that you have the same vision, and that you have the same KPIs and goals and objectives that you want to achieve. Make sure you include your team in those discussions so that they know what they are striving for, and enlighten them with certain bonus options or KPI options so that they really have this encouragement and motivation to hit those goals year on year, month to month, week by week, day to day. So try to avoid control freak leadership. I completely understand that this might be something very difficult to do, but you do have to learn to delegate and make sure that your business goes more independent and grows with the team that you've got. I hope this tip has helped you, and if you've got any questions about doing business in China, don't hesitate to reach out. Take care and goodbye.